Hello guys, today I've got the Marshall Miner 3 headphones and I'm going to show you, actually explain this Playify tab feature to you. Here, as you can see in the application called Marshall Bluetooth, if we scroll down we can see the explanation of the Spotify tab. Get straight to the music with Spotify tab. Spotify tab is music to your ears, quite literally. Get the tunes playing with a simple press of the M button. Start the music. Press the M button to start playing music based on your listening taste. And you can change the music also with the same button. This is a hardware shortcut that lets you instantly resume your music or podcast without touching your phone. By pressing a dedicated button by pressing a dedicated button, the M button, the application will either resume exactly where you left or instantly play fresh personalized recommendations. Goodbye.